Keeps Accounting. Wishing you a happy new year. 2020 tax year has come to an end. So I just wanted to touch base. We're getting a lot of inquiries in the office from people asking and wanting to do their 2020 tax returns early. And we did anticipate this because of the changes with COVID. A lot of people's work positions have changed. People are wanting early access to refunds, all of those sorts of things. However, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know that we are expecting some delays. So essentially what's happened this year is the tax office are trying to force people to hold off on lodging their tax return until the 14th. So quite typically they don't start processing tax returns for a while, but we can lodge them. But this year they've taken some active steps to prevent us from lodging early. So a lot of the information that we would normally have access to, they have blocked our software providers from being able to link that to your account until the 14th. So we can still do some tax returns. We're having to be really careful because everything's having to be manually checked and entered. The things that we're having issues with, I guess, group certificates. I know your employers aren't sending them, and I know they're telling you that they're automatically sending that information to the tax office. But there is still a year-end process where they need to reconcile everything within their system and tell the ATO that it's finalised. So while you might be able to see your income details, and we can certainly see it, most of the boxes at the moment are still saying that the tax summary is unfinalised. And until that flicks over to finalised, we can't lodge the returns. So that's really the big one that's holding up tax return processing at the moment. Essentially, if the returns are coming in, what we're doing is we're just keeping an eye on it every day. And as soon as it finalises, we'll let you know. The other things that are not being made available yet, we're still waiting on some Centrelink information to become available for your tax returns, interest on bank accounts, dividends, and your private health insurance statements. So some of those things you may be able to get and send to us manually, but some of those things may mean that we've got a delay until at least next week before we can finalise your return. So please don't hesitate in sending everything in. If you've got everything ready and you're ready to go, send it through and we will do our best and we will let you know where it's up to. But in terms of actual returns lodged, I don't think I've seen a number this low on the 9th of July in at least 5 years because we just physically can't lodge the returns. The ATO aren't accepting them. But by all means, send everything through. We are still working in stage 3. Some of our staff are still working from home, but available via email, phone, video conference, whatever it takes to get things working for you. So by all means, get in touch if there's anything we can do to help. And watch this space. I'll try and, now that we're going back into lockdown, keep you guys updated with the changes. Some information coming through about some more grants and things like that. So we'll be updating the videos regularly. If there's any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop us a comment and we'll do our best to help you all. So happy tax time and we'll chat with you soon. Bye.